You've done the breath work, the meditation, the grounding. You've even thrown ice water in your face, but anxiety still shows up, doesn't it? If you've ever thought, I'm doing all the right things, so why am I still anxious? This video is just for you. What if the problem isn't that the tools don't work, but that you're using them to control anxiety instead of helping your body feel safe? Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a trauma-informed therapist, and I've personally felt the terror of panic attacks. In this video, I'll show you a new way to understand your anxiety so you can stop fighting it and finally start healing. When anxiety hits, our first instinct is to stop it. We think, calm down, I can't feel this right now. Because anxiety feels scary, overwhelming, even dangerous. But this doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It's your nervous system way of yelling, I don't feel safe. Even in a calm room, your body might be reacting to something old, something unresolved. Here's the problem though. When you reach for breath work or meditation to make the feeling go away, you may be unintentionally telling your body, this is dangerous, and a body under attack cannot relax. Sometimes tools like meditation becomes way to disassociate, to escape feeling. You manage the symptoms but never heal the source. Let me share a story with you. I worked with a woman who had meditated daily for years. She still woke up anxious. She thought she was doing something wrong, but her body told her a different story. As a child, she had to care for her little sister. She was the strong one. And one day she fell down the stairs. She was crying and hurt and no one came. At that moment, her body learned, I'm alone. I don't matter. It's not safe. Meditation helped her cope, but it couldn't reach deep enough to the part of her that had never felt safe. When we finally connected to that younger part and helped her feel truly supported, she took a deep breath and said, I finally feel safe in my body the first time after 40 years. And here's the mistake I see often, and I've done it too. We blame ourselves, we judge. Why am I still feeling this way? What's wrong with me? But that judgment is actually a form of self-attack. And a body under attack won't calm down. You might be thinking, but breathing and meditation are supposed to help. Yes, they can, but only in the moment and only when your system already feels safe enough to receive them. Breathing doesn't erase emotion. It's meant to activate your vagus nerve, not solve the root cause of your anxiety. And when the breath doesn't work, we often spiral to maybe I'm not doing it right. Why is this happening? That spiral makes it worse. Judgments get stuck in the body and anxiety grows. So let's change this. Let's trade judgment for curiosity. Think about it like this. Judgment shuts the door and curiosity opens it. Judgment might say, this is bad, while curiosity says, I wonder why this is here. See the difference? So instead of trying to calm down, try asking yourself, can I help my body feel safe right now? The next time you feel that tightness, how about you say, I feel this. I'm not going to force it away. I'm just going to be with it. Practice this even when you're not anxious, so you can access this tool when you do need it. And I'd like to encourage you to scan your body and notice, where do you feel tense? Which part feels calm? Ask that tense part, what do you want me to know? You might not get an answer, and that's okay. The moment you get curious, you create space. And I often ask my clients to journal moments when their body feels tense or unsafe. That's where we begin our real work, meeting those younger parts with compassion. Because once safety kicks in, that's when breathing works. That's when meditation grounds you. Here's how I think of it. Curiosity unlocks the door, breath works, work through it. If you try to breathe while the door is still locked with judgment, you're just banging on the wood. But when you start with, I see you, I'm listening, that breath finally lands. You're not fighting your body, you're working with it. Are you ready to stop managing anxiety and start healing it at the root? If you're feeling called to go deeper, I invite you to book a free strategy call with me. We'll talk about what your body might be trying to tell you and how to help it feel safe again. You can find the link below in this video. And when you're ready, the next video will walk you through how to start creating that sense of safety right now. I'll see you there.